Like, subscribe, and get notified.
The various changes in the Town and Country Planning Act were executed to facilitate such land conversions. Because politicians are doing illegalities, bureaucrats are not to be left behind. Goa is moving towards doom, Captain Viriato Fernandez said.
It's very sad that the top bureaucrat in the state is involved in such irregularity. जे शेत आशिल्लें तें सेटलमेंटार गेलां, जें घर नाशिल्लें थंय इलिगली घर बांदलां, कांय परमिशन ना, कांय ना. आनी सेकंडली आमकां खबर आहा हे लास्ट 2-3 वर्सांनी 39A म्हूण कितें हाडलें, तातूंत इलिगली कन्वर्शन केलें आनी तें जेन्ना कोर्टान गेलें ताणें 17-2 हाडलें TCP मिनिस्टरान ह्या सरकारान. आनी अंडर 17-2 करेक्शन म्हणून तांणी केला. एक रोड कितें दाखयता करेक्शन आनी कितें टोटली इलिगल फ्रॉड. एंड वेन द टॉप ब्युरोक्रेट ऑफ द स्टेट डज दॅट मीन्स, एज आय हॅव सेड, गोवा इज मुवींग टुवर्ड्स डूम. आनी ते चीफ सेक्रेटरी करपाक ताका आतां एक बोल्ड जाला, ताका खबर आसा मंत्री आसा तितलेय चोरी करता म्हणून. आपणाकूय करपाक कितें जाला?
To the chief secretary to get clarification whether is this the same Puneet Kumar Goyal who is referring into the sale deed and all other permissions. He didn't meet us, he didn't answer us, in fact he ran away. So today we had come to the governor and we have told the governor to act on this, examine the case and take the appropriate steps, if required suspend such people. So governor has assured us that he will go into the case, he will examine it, he will call the concerned people and come with a solution. So we have told him try to do it fast, maybe within 1 week's time or 8 days, because it is Ganesh festival, and make sure that such officers who are involved in illegal conversion of paddy fields, agricultural land, no development slope, forest cover, has to be there, has to be some strict guidelines. These Dilliwalas cannot come here and try to grab land in the view of what the TCP minister has got a tool of amendments of 17 to 39A. He's saying I'll get more amendments. Are these amendments for these Dilliwalas to grab lands of Goa? आम्ही रिक्वेस्ट केला गव्हर्नराक, हिज एक्सलन्सी गव्हर्नर ऑफ गोवा, तेंचो जो हेड आसा आमच्या गोंयचो, तेणीच कितें तरी पुढाकार घेवचो गोंयच्या लोकां खातीर. आनी हे जे त्याच्या नांवान, गव्हर्नराच्या नांवान हे सगळे जे चोर हांगा बसल्यात आणि हे अशें गोवा काबार करीत आसात, जो सगळो दिसता आमकां.
Should the chief secretary personally come up and clarify whether the land conversion?
क्लॅरिफाय कितें, तेजेर एक्शन जावंक जाय. चीफ सेक्रेटरी आज आमी पेपर पळयल्यात, एक सेल जाता, ती सेल जाता एका एग्रीकल्चरल लँडची, जी तो स्वता बसता पयलो आनी कन्वर्ट करता इंटू सेटलमेंट, आनी मागीर आपूण आपल्या चेड्याक पॉवर ऑफ एटर्नी दिता आनी तेच्या नांवान तेजो भुरगो विकत घेता ती. आनी मागीर भितर कितें बरयलां, फक्त लँड आसा. जर फक्त लँड आसा जाल्यार येदो व्हडलो बंगलो जो दिसता, घर दिसता त्या लँडान, ते खंय गेले? हे चीफ सेक्रेटरीक खबर ना ते कितें जादून तयार जाता घर?
Kiran Borkar and Devin Gaonkar for Herald TV.
Watch on Herald TV.